Hola clase fabulosa, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Vamos a empezar con aprender sobre los meses y los días de la semana. So sorry I couldn't be there today. We're going to go ahead and learn about the months and days of the week. I just recorded this little screencast lesson so you can just listen and follow the directions. So you should already have these materials out and ready to go, and if not, just quietly open your desk. I will say them in Spanish, but they're here in English. Las tijeras. Necesitas el pegamento. Necesitas el cuaderno de español. Y hay un papel de la profesora que necesitas. There's a months and days of the week paper you'll get from the teacher. You're just going to cut around the outside to make this fit into your notebook. You're not going to cut out each individual little square. Just cut a little bit around the outside of the page so that it can fit into your notebook. And then after that, you're just going to glue it in as we always do. And I'm going to go through a couple more directions, and you can just listen and follow along. So, pegamento. You might want to pause this video right now while you're cutting out and gluing. So now you should have glued and cut out everything. If you're not done, pause this video and finish that. These are the months of the year, los meses del año. Repita, you can just kind of quietly repeat to yourself, los meses del año. Los meses del año. Muy bien, excelente. Repita, these are the months, starting with January. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Excelente, vamos a hacerlo otra vez. Repita, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Fabuloso! Muy bien, buen trabajo. And let's see if we can say them together without any repeats. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Fabuloso. And you might want to be kind of whispering these to yourselves, otherwise the entire class is going to be saying these out loud at once. Una, dos, tres. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Fabuloso! If we wanted to ask when your birthday is, we would say, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Repita, ¿cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? So here's some examples of how you could answer. This is Mrs. Chernay's birthday. Mi cumpleaños es el 2 de mayo. Mi cumpleaños es el 2 de mayo. So if your birthday was on October 30th, mi cumpleaños es el 30 de octubre. Muy bien. Can you write out when your birthday is? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Go backwards if you need to in this video to look at the form again. And pause this and unpause it when you're done. Can you write out these dates in Spanish? So for April 4th, you would write el 4 de abril. Can you give those a whirl? The answers are on the next page. Pause the video while you write. Okay, now check over your answers. Did you get them correct? If you didn't, that's okay, it's just practice. One last review of the numero of the months, and this is kind of a prettier setup. Repita, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. And there's even a fun little song which we're going to practice later on. It goes to the tune of I've Been Working on the Railroad, and it goes enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Do you want to whisper quietly sing this to yourself since you have headphones on? See if you can sing it. Una, dos, tres. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Excelente clase. If you want to pause it and practice it again on your own, you can. If you want to pause the video, practice, feel free. And the last one, we have the days of the week, starting with Sunday, which is domingo. Repita, domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. Excelente, otra vez, repita, domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado. And you notice on your sheet you have actually a different visual for the months and a different visual for the days of the week. Your visual starts with lunes in your notebook. Repita clase, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. That's the song. So you go lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Nice job, everybody. If you finish all of this, go back to your email, and if you've been trained in Quizlet, you can try that by clicking on the link. And if not, you can go ahead and look at your old vocab that we've been learning through the last couple weeks and study that on your own until Spanish is over. Thank you. Gracias, clase. Muy bien. Adiós.